In my hand is form number 6, the application form for new voters. Now this form has a section, and look at point number 5, where you are meant to choose either to fill in your Aadhaar number or declare, as the form says, I'm not able to furnish my Aadhaar number because I don't have Aadhaar number. Similarly, there is form 6B, which is meant for collecting your Aadhaar details if you are an enrolled voter. Now form 6B and other related forms lacked options for electors to abstain from providing Aadhaar details, and it offered only 2 choices, either to give in your Aadhaar number or declare, as the form says, I'm not able to furnish my Aadhaar because I don't have Aadhaar number. Now the form gives you the option to choose, but according to a recent petition in the Supreme Court, the forms for first-time voters who are registering do not make this clear. Now, the Election Commission of India has taken a stand in relation to linking Aadhaar with voter ID. What is it? We take a look at that in this video. So when and why did the EC first decide to link Aadhaar with voter IDs? First, let's set the context, and for that we have to travel back to 2015. This is Chief Election Commissioner H.S. Brahma, who had announced back in 2015 that the EC would start a drive to link Aadhaar with the electoral roll database from March 1st that year. The aim of the drive was to remove bogus or duplicate entries from the electoral roll and was to be completed by August of that year. Brahma had clarified that the exercise would be voluntary. Now, after the Supreme Court on August 11, 2015 ruled that Aadhaar could only be used for government schemes for distribution of food grains, LPG and kerosene, the EC stopped its drive. But by then, it had already collected 38 crore Aadhaar details. So what has been the EC's stand since then? In 2019, the EC again proposed linking Aadhaar with the electoral roll, asking the government to amend the election laws to enable collecting of Aadhaar details. The government then brought the Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021, which was passed by Parliament in December 2021, to enable the linking of Aadhaar and voter IDs. Now, under the Act, the EC restarted the collection of Aadhaar numbers from July 2022 on a voluntary basis. The new form 6B, was introduced for existing electors to give their Aadhaar number, and the form for new registrations was amended as well. However, a Congress leader from Telangana, G. Niranjan, moved the Supreme Court last year seeking directions to the Election Commission and the government to make amendments so those who do not want to link their Aadhaar and voter ID have that option. The Law Ministry had issued a notification on June 17, 2022 that every person whose name is on the electoral roll may intimate the Aadhaar number. The Form 6B gave only 2 options. Like I said, either provide the Aadhaar number or say one doesn't possess an Aadhaar. This would force those who did not want to give their Aadhaar number into making a false declaration. Now, the EC told the court in September that it would make the clarificatory changes required. So what did the EC propose, and what was the government's stand? The Election Commission of India approached the Union government, proposing amendments to the Representation of the People Act of 1950 and voter enrollment forms. So what was EC's proposal? It proposed that amending the form's 2 options of either giving Aadhaar details or saying you don't have one to a single line saying Aadhaar number in bracket optional. The proposal, however, is learned to have been turned down by the Union Law Ministry. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.